Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use ClickUp for your project management. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to use your ClickUp for project manager, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first. Then after opening ClickUp application, just simply tap into this dashboard and click to this plus button. Then after that, this project management option will appear. Just simply tap into that and then click to create dashboard. Then from here, you can manage your projects very easily. You can see workload by status, priority breakdown, open task by assignees, and many more options into here which will help you to manage your projects in here. This way you can use ClickUp to manage your projects very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.